Brad's not here at the Wet Show in Indianapolis. I'm with Matt Gabrielse in the HammerHead booth, and you guys always have something new going on here. This is something new. What is it?
We're really excited about this brand new wet out table. One of the really neat things about this table is that we've increased the accuracy overall.
Okay.
We've taken out any flex that can or could occur with those rollers, which results in a nice, precise wet out for the customer.
Guys can't force it through and cause imperfections or anything like that?
Exactly, and what that means for the customer is that they're going to use the exact same amount of resin every single time. They're going to have consistent results, consistent wet out.
Perfect. Another
really cool thing about this table is we've incorporated 3 drives. So you've got your bottom belt assembly.
Okay.
That's made nice surface for that liner to roll into the bottom rollers. And you've got your bottom roller, which is a nice on fixed drive, and this top roller, which helps assist that liner through. We've also put in bigger rollers to pinch the liner. It's just like a tractor. You got big tires on your tractor, it rolls nicer and wets out that liner with less wrinkling for the customer.
More consistency, less guesswork. Awesome.
Yep.
Very good. Less room for error. What do you have going on down here?
Yeah, so you don't see any shims dangling around. Those get in the way. Sometimes it's hard to find the right shim. We've made that really simple here. All you got to do is set your gap, loosen this up just like a bicycle seat, clamp it down, and you're good to go.
Super easy.
Exactly. It's really easy for the customer, and that's the way that we wanted to design it.
Great. And when somebody wants more information on this new product, where can they go?
Check us out, HammerHeadTrenchless.com, and you'll find information or give us a call.
Awesome. Thank you, Matt.
Thank you.
Take care.